The Earth and its environment is essential in every aspect of life. It provides everything that humans need to survive and more. Without the environment, humans would not have access to food, water, medicine, and natural cycles such as climate and nutrients. Not only does our natural world give us physical goods, but it also offers beauty and art in many different ways. With the rise of industries and technology, we often forget about how important our Earth is to us and treat it unfairly. Now more than ever, we need to come together as a team and work to rebuild our environment. It is our responsibility as the new Democratic Party to help protect our environment and provide our communities with the best quality of life. The NDP's first step to repairing our environment is to preserve one of the most important elements of Canada's environment. Our team would like to develop a new provincial water strategy that prioritizes the public's access to drinking water from the Great Lakes. A part of this plan, we will be implementing renewable energy systems for water treatment plants to help preserve our lakes. On top of this, we will also be developing more solar-powered and windmill systems. Integrating renewable energy into our communities is a big change, and the NDPs will consider the opinions and suggestions of those community members affected. We believe that those who are reducing energy should be rewarded for their contribution for helping to rebuild our environment. We understand that lifestyle changes can be difficult, and we appreciate any support on reducing energy usage in our everyday lives. We want to introduce a new $50 million no-interest and on-bill home program to help people pay less and consume less energy. Our team also wants to help businesses and homes become more efficient and have access to environmentally friendly vehicles, appliances, buildings, equipment, and much more. Our final goal is to update the Environmental Bill of Rights, which consists of rights given to Ontario citizens to participate in environmental decision-making. Updating these rights will allow community members to know more about the environmental impacts and be able to petition when changes are needed. The NDPs feel it is very important to have transparency, public participation, and accountability wherever the environment is impacted in order to gain trust and work towards a better future for everyone. A large part of rebuilding our environment starts with listening to the public that are affected firsthand. The NDP hopes that you are willing to take the necessary actions to assist us in preserving our environment and implement more renewable energy systems in your communities. Your opinions, ideas, and suggestions are important to us and will help our team create a plan to rebuild a strong and healthy environment. For more information about the NDP platform and how to get involved, please visit our website or follow us on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram.